So today we're going to be hiking the Scenic Point Trail. It's in Two Medicine, which is in the southeast portion of Glacier National Park. The trail begins on the Mount Henry Trailhead. It's about 7.7 miles and approximately about 2,400 feet of elevation gain on the way up to the summit. There's several switchbacks on your way up. It's a pretty exposed trail, but when we get to the summit, we are hoping for some outstanding sights.
Good?
We're good. Hi.
All we know by comparison, and don't compare me to him.
Cool tree, huh?
With these metaphors twisting and turning and creeping underneath my skin. Stories you've heard,
Yeah, I see somebody like
and retold, or simply stories I've read. Similarly
I think that's a person.
rooted
Oh,
and
yeah, like they just
taking
moved.
shape within my heart and my head. Will pin me down, an escapist at best, running from the life of the rest, where arrogance and quaking rage do surface on the best of days. So still the tremble in my chest.
Stop. Enjoy the journey. It's not
Honestly,
not worrying so much
sincerity
about the destination.
is more to me.
Is that what the quote is, babe? Huh?
something like that.
Choose you possess.
You can take that quote with you
Find
anywhere in
it
life.
fitting to drag me
That's right.
further from the horror.
Work,
Please
your
promise them the way won't send me back. Though I ramble, I'm afraid I'll never settle down. I'm ready to leave. Stitching in my
11 feet of elevation.
toes is pulling me wherever it goes, and it doesn't seem to ever leave.
Shaped like a brick head. Yeah? Is that what's going on here?
Storybooks, the voyages of Captain Cook, the troubadour and brooding sage, the Viscount and the magistrate. The lines are read and buried deep, the breaking of the wall in me, and others speak to try and calm the waters with this simple ball. Murderous wind filled my sails and drew me near to you. So tell me, will we make it through the lock? As the sirens raise their
Almost
voices,
there.
tie me tighter to the vessel, or else watch me throw myself upon the rocks.
have to take a video.